In Creo 12, Generative Design now supports a new type of optimization called a thermal study. This is a steady-state thermal study with conduction and convection boundary conditions. Let's explore this new study with two examples. You'll find the new study type at the upper left side of the ribbon. In addition, you'll find the new boundary conditions and heat loads for thermal studies. In this first example, we have multiple heat loads that will be considered for different locations of this geometry. All of these will be considered during optimization. For this first example, the design goal will be to minimize mass and maintaining a peak temperature of 400 degrees Celsius for all load conditions. Let's click on Optimize and speed up the solution. Here we can see the final result along with the temperature display. As you hover your mouse over the colored fringe, you can probe the temperatures at these locations. Next, let's switch to another example. Here we have all the boundary conditions set up in this model with only one heat load and two preserved bodies. For this geometry, we'll be using the other design goal available with thermal studies, which is to minimize peak temperature while putting a limit on the volume. We'll be setting a target of 50% for the volume. Again, we can click on Optimize to run the study. In this example, we will see the volume of our geometry change to meet our design goals. This new type of thermal study will bring many new types of generative design solutions to our customers where heat is a consideration, making generative design an essential part of the design process.